talking about the party, we also have a full house today. We have Nooresh Merani joining us and Kunal Bothra as well. But Nooresh, first let me come to you. First up, best wishes for Christmas. But what do you think about the last week of 2023? How is it going to pan out? Are we going to make a fresh record high and touch 21,600? Or now let's sit in that range of 21,300, 400 thereabouts? Nooresh, the question is for you. Okay, I think we have a bit of an audio issue with Nooresh at this point of time, but Kunal is with us in the studio. There couldn't be any audio issue here. So first up, Merry Christmas. How was the Christmas with kids and everyone at home?
Yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you as well as to all the viewers of ET Now. It was great. It was a good vacation, long weekend. Finally managed to utilize one of the long weekends in the entire year.
Did you go out?
Yes.
Where?
Yeah, some place in Gujarat.
Okay, so you drove down, is it?
Yes.
But there were some very scary images and videos coming in of the highways which are jammed. So
but that was Shimla and Manali.
No, here also Mumbai-Pune highway as well.
Yeah. Luckily, I was not stuck in that.
Okay, good. Maybe your timing was right.
Seems like that the Nifty and Bank Nifty is stuck, right? Bank Nifty, what it has made, 7 or 8 attempts for that 48,000 mark?
Correct.
A very, very strong hurdle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a strong hurdle, and I think it's a good time for the indices to spend some time over here, consolidate. So after 2,500 plus points rally for the Nifty and more than I think 4,000 points for the Bank Nifty, it is but obvious that at some point in terms of the trajectory or the trend, the indices are bound to take a pause. So I think it's a good sign that the indices are finally taking a pause. There was a bit of a shakeout, on that single day when the index had fallen down by 400, 500 points, the Nifty on intraday basis. But I think we've managed to recover quite well. The stocks have managed to recover quite well. And that generally is a sign that the trend is intact. It's just that there's a bit of volatility which has come back into the indices. And that also indicates that we could probably settle into a trading range for the next 1 or 2 weeks. So wouldn't be surprised that for the entire remainder part of this week, we could probably be stuck into a range where 21,500 could act as a hurdle or a resistance.
All right, let's find out what Nooresh makes of the market as well. And Nooresh, a lot of heavy lifting being done by the IT index. Banks took a back seat and it was a phase of consolidation. Is that only going to continue into this festive week?
So I would expect some bit of a consolidation to continue, wherein we've created a short-term base as well as a short-term top, wherein say 21,600 is a top, 21,000 roughly on the downside is a bottom, and we get into this 400, 600 pointer range, wherein we keep seeing stock-specific rotation. So someday it could be IT, someday it could be FMCG, and someday it could be banking. But overall, once we cross about 21,600, that's the time when we get into momentum, or when we get below 21,000 on a sustainable basis. So for now, we are getting in our consolidation, more stock-specific action. Index could take a pause in this gap, and then maybe in the start of January, we start seeing much stronger trends.